What is the recommended amount of garlic to eat? The recommended daily intake of garlic is related to the personal measurements for each individual, as it varies from person to person. In general, it is recommended to eat 1 or 2 cloves of garlic daily. It is not recommended to eat garlic on an empty stomach because it may stimulate gastric juice, causing stomach ulcers and discomfort. It is advised to eat fresh garlic as much as possible, as after about an hour of peeling it, many of the active substances in it lose their effectiveness upon exposure to the air, oxidize, and it should be noted that the occurrence of such a matter or something else for garlic can weaken its antibacterial ability, and therefore it is recommended to eat raw garlic. How to cope with the smell of garlic? The strong smell of garlic is due to the active ingredient in it, which is allicin. Ironically, it is this substance that is responsible for the variety of medicinal properties that distinguish this wonderful fruit. In order to avoid the bad smell of garlic, make sure to clean your teeth well and use special preparations to freshen the breath and flossing. Also, make sure to clean the surface of the tongue. Many people also recommend eating fresh orange juice, mint or parsley, as these foods have the ability to neutralize the strong smell of garlic. More medicinal benefits of garlic. In addition, the benefits of garlic are as follows. Diet. Studies have revealed that allicin, the active ingredient in garlic, contributes to weight loss. Kidney health. Garlic is known as a diuretic, and it may even contribute to dissolving kidney stones. Respiratory system. Garlic might remove phlegm and ease an annoying cough. Skin health. Garlic juice may help heal wounds and infectious skin infections by topical treatment. Gynecology. Garlic relieves menstrual pain and may treat infectious vaginal infections. If you want to read the article, I have put a link in the description. Do not forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive every new video, and also do not forget to share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.